Hello guys, my name is Abdal Khan and you are watching my bucket list, and in this video I will give you introduction of acids and bases and also properties of acids and bases. So this video is just introduction of acids and bases, and so in the further videos we will also explain their concepts, like the acids and bases are having three concepts. The first concept is Arrhenius concept of acids and bases, and second one is Bronsted-Lowry concept of acids and bases, and the third one is Lewis concept. So we have to read all concepts, okay, all three concepts of acids and bases. So in this video we'll just go toward the introduction of acids and bases. So before going toward the discussion, first subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. You'll receive my latest lecture with the help of notification, and also next lectures you will also receive the next lectures of acids and bases. So now we will go towards the acids. So first of all, acids, we will talk about acids, okay. Acid is being derived from a Latin word acidus, okay. It is derived from Latin word, it is derived from Latin word, okay, Latin word acidus, okay. And the acidus means, which means sour, okay, which means sour, okay. So they have got this name due to their sour taste, and acid and bases are having no exact definition, okay. They acids and bases have different definitions according to different concepts. Like acids and bases have different definition according to Arrhenius concept, and it has different definition according to Bronsted-Lowry concept, and it has in a different definition according to Lewis concept. So it has no definition, it has no exact definition, okay. That's why we will write their definition, discuss about their three definitions in further video. So we will now discuss their properties, like properties of acids, properties of acids, okay. Acid. So the three concepts are, the first one is Arrhenius concept, Arrhenius concept, okay, of acids and bases. The first one, and the second one is Bronsted concept of acids and bases, okay. And the third one is Lewis concept, okay, concept of acid and bases. So we have to discuss all three concepts, okay. So now then we will understand completely acids and bases, okay. So now we will discuss the properties of acids and bases. The first property of acids and bases, acid is sour. The acids have sour taste. First one is acids taste sour, okay. Acids taste sour. The acids have sour taste. Example, okay. Example number one. The number one example is vinegar, okay. Vinegar has sour taste, okay. Sour taste because of acetic acid. The formula is CH3COOH. This is acetic acid. It's also an acid. Okay, so in further videos we will read and discuss that how it is called acid. Okay, so subscribe my channel for further videos. You will see you will receive my further videos. Okay, and in further videos we will discuss about the compounds. Okay, and vinegar. Okay, vinegar has sour taste because of acetic. There are acetic acid is present in vinegar, therefore the taste of acids are sour. And the second one is uh, citrus sorry citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like for example grapes, vinegar, sorry, it's not, vinegar is not a fruit. I'm also human. Okay, sorry. Citrus fruits like grapes, lemon, and oranges, etc. There are other fruits also. Crystal fruits, they have sour taste. Okay, crystal fruits like grapes, lemon, and oranges, etc. have sour taste. Taste due to presence of citric acid. Okay, citric acid. Okay, there's also acid present because the taste of acid is sour, and it's also derived from a Latin word acidus, which means sour. Okay, which means sour. So in citrus fruits like lemon, grapes, and oranges, they have sour taste due to presence of citric acid, and vinegar has also sour taste due to acetic acid. Okay, so that's why the fruits are citrus fruits are sour. They have taste sour. Vinegar have a sour taste because of acids. Okay, and the third property of acid is litmus paper. Okay, litmus paper. First of all, I will give some knowledge about litmus paper. Okay, litmus paper. Litmus paper is a paper, but it contains organic compounds, and in the paper which contains organic compounds, and when they come in contact with acids or bases, they change their color. Okay, so there are two kinds of litmus paper: red litmus paper, or blue litmus paper. Okay, there are two litmus paper. When red litmus paper come in contact with acid, their color is changed into blue. Okay, and when blue litmus paper come in contact with bases, then they become red. Okay, they change their color because litmus paper contains organic compounds. Okay, so now the third property, acids. The third one. Okay, third one, acids turn blue litmus paper red. Okay, acids turn blue litmus paper red. Okay, because litmus paper contains organic compounds compounds, okay, organic compounds, which change their color, which change their color, okay, when come in contact with acids or bases, okay. So come in contact with acids when blue litmus paper come in contact with acids, it becomes red, okay. So litmus paper contains organic compounds which change their color when come in contact with acids or bases. When come in contact means when they mixed or with acids or bases, they change their color. When blue litmus paper come in contact with acids, it becomes red, okay. And this is the properties or properties of acids. Now we'll go towards the bases, okay. Now we'll discuss about the bases of the properties of bases. You can call them characteristics, properties. In exam, there's a question come. If question come characteristics or properties, it's same, okay. You can write the same things. So now properties of bases. Properties of bases. Okay. So the first property is bases have bitter taste. Okay. Bases have bitter taste. So if you don't know about bitter taste, go and take soap and taste it. The taste having soap is called bitter taste. Oh, the taste of the soap is bitter. Okay, so bases have bitter taste, and you can write this like bases have bitter taste, therefore we cannot eat or drink it, but we can use the dilute solution to eat or drink which is mixed with flavoring agent. Okay, so therefore we cannot feel the bitter taste while eating or drinking. Okay, or while eating or drinking. And so the second one is they bases turns red litmus paper blue. Okay, basic turns red litmus paper blue means when red litmus paper come in contact or mixed with bases, it changes the color of litmus paper from red to blue. Okay, when a red litmus paper come in contact with bases, it change, then it becomes blue. Okay, so when red litmus paper come in contact with bases, then it becomes blue, means then they change the color of red litmus paper into blue. So this is opposite of acids. Okay, so the bases is totally opposite of acids. In acid they turn the blue litmus paper color into red, and in bases they turn the red litmus paper color into blue. Okay, so it's totally opposite. Okay, and the third one is, okay, and the third one is slippery touch. Bases have slippery touch. Okay, when we touch the dilute solution of bases, it felt slippery. Okay, when we touch the dilute solution, so first of all, the dilute solution means I already gave a lecture on dilute solution in my previous video, so you can go to my channel and you can watch my lecture on dilute solution, so then you will understand about dilute solution, that what is dilute solution, and I will give example. The dilute solution is soap is also a dilute solution. Okay, so when we touch the dilute solution of bases, it felt slippery. Okay, it felt slippery. Okay, when we take soap in our hands, it felt slippery. Okay, we can't pull it powerfully. Okay, when we pull it forcefully, okay, it goes outside from our hands, because there is a dilute solution of bases, therefore it felt slippery. And it is also a property of bases. The bases of dilute solution were present in anything, okay, like soap, it felt slippery. Okay, example, I'll give you a simple example. Soap, the dilute solution of soap is felt when we touch the soap. Okay, so it felt slippery, means it is slipping in our hands. Okay, due to presence of bases. Okay, so I think you understand my lecture. So guys, this is just introduction of acids and bases and properties of acids and bases. Either you can call it properties or characteristic, you can call them. There's a lot of names for properties, characteristics, advantages, okay, merits, uses of acids and bases. There are lots of names. You can write the same things, and the three are enough. Okay, these three are the main properties. There are lots of properties of acids and bases, but the top three properties of acids and bases are these three. Okay, I told you about this lecture. So guys, if you like my video, if you understand my lecture, please like and share on my video. And if you have any problem, if you don't understand my lecture, you can ask me in the comment section, so so that I will prove it in the further videos. And also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. You will receive my latest lectures with the help of notifications. First, in next videos, I will give a lecture on Arrhenius concept of acids and bases, Bronsted lecture of acids and bases, and Lewis concept of acids and bases. So when you will learn those three concepts, then you will understand acids and bases completely. So thank you for this video, and see you in further videos.